Hi friends, so today I will let you know we can remove focus folder in your Outlook. Okay, let's go to open the Outlook. Okay, so we have a focused option in your Outlook. So how we can remove this? So simply click on inbox, then go to view, and here is the option we can remove show focused inbox. And if you want this option, you can check this option. If you don't need this option, so you can uncheck this one. All emails will become in your all folder. Okay, and unread mail will be showing here as well. And if you click on unread emails, that will be option is there. Like if you select that focus option, so like important things and related emails, like important communication, all emails will be coming in focused folder. And other emails, like if you like advertisement and is uh, and notification type emails will be coming in other folders. Okay, so there is an option we can remove focused folder in your Outlook profile. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.